Out of all the many ways to make money online using ChatGPT, this may be the simplest to begin with. It doesn't require creating a website, operating as a freelancer, or even investing any money. All you have to do is go to the website and start answering questions using ChatGPT, and you'll earn commissions on autopilot. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, so stay tuned until the end. With that out of the way, let's get right into the video. As you may be aware, several options to generate money using ChatGPT have lately been unveiled, such as providing various freelancing services. Many people, for example, did not like the notion for many different reasons. One of them was an argument that the freelancing market is very competitive and that it is difficult to acquire clients. Even if I disagree, I chose to present this novel approach, which is unlike anything you've heard before. 3 separate websites are required for the entire process. The first is Quora.com, the largest social question and answer website. It provides answers to any issue and also allows you to answer other people's questions, which is what we'll do. ClickBank is the second website we need. If you are unfamiliar, ClickBank is one of the largest online affiliate markets, with hundreds of affiliate offerings in various themes that you may promote. However, if ClickBank is not available in your location, you may use another website such as Digistore24, and the final website you need is, of course, the one and only ChatGPT. You may start earning passive money with the help of those 3 websites. Let me now explain in full how this strategy works. So the first thing you should do is go to Quora.com and sign up for a free account. As you can see, it's rather straightforward. You can sign up with your email address or Facebook. This is how your dashboard will look once you've logged in. So, our main objective on Quora is to identify issues that can be solved through ChatGPT and ClickBank. The chatbot is going to offer us with thorough responses, and ClickBank will provide us with things to advertise in order to earn commissions. There are numerous issues you may start tackling to generate money now, but I recommend focusing on 3 areas. Number 1 is health, second is wealth, and third is relationships. These 3 categories are the best if you're searching for rapid answers, but there are plenty of additional themes you may try. For example, you may select losing weight or stress management, indicating that you are in the health area, or how to earn money online, indicating that you are in the wealth category, and so on. Let's take losing weight as an example for this video. Let's try weight loss for this video, and let's start by pulling weight loss here in the search. And as you can see, you'll see a limitless amount of results. All of these questions are linked to the topic we've picked, and there are several filters on the left side. I want you to change the type of questions and always adjust the time to the previous hour or day. By using these criteria, you will have less competition than if you were answering questions that were submitted a long time ago. Let's try to ask if the time you eat matter for weight loss. All you have to do now is copy the question and go to ChatGPT to start a conversation and receive high-quality responses. I always ask that the chatbot breaks down the answer into pieces and summarize it using bullet points. That way, your responses will stick out. Okay, now that your answer has been produced, you can copy it and return to Quora. Click on Response and paste the text created from ChatGPT, and you may bold the essential words or add spaces between the paragraphs to make it simpler to read and look nicer. Don't upload it right away since we still have one more critical step to complete: choosing a product. To promote, simply go to clickbank.com and sign up for a free account. Once you've logged in, you'll see all of the different deals you may advertise, as well as the product categories. What we need to do now is identify a product that is linked to the topic we're addressing. In my example, this is losing weight. After that, all relevant products will be shown. As you can see, do your research, select your preferred deal, and create your affiliate link. After that, we'll have to make a free Google site where we will have our landing page and we will paste the link to our affiliate product. Finally, return to Quora, and all we need to do now is add our Google site link to the answer. which can be done in a variety of ways, but I'll show you my favorite. You can add a new part to your response. For example, by entering a personal recommendation, then type in the name of the product you're advertising. After that, you can simply add the URL to the product name. As you can see, this looks much better than simply pasting the URL. I recommend including the link numerous times in the answer, rather than simply at the conclusion. Just be sure to mention your goods in the appropriate place so you don't come off as spam. Finally, press the post button. You'll now get a commission if people read your response and then click on the link to buy. The best thing is that you only have to do this once, and your response will be permanent, allowing you to earn passive money without doing any extra effort. The key to success in this strategy is answering as many questions as possible every day. Also, aim to be among the first to respond with the questions using the time filter. Here is a brief rundown on everything we talked about in this video. Step 1 is to register a free account on Quora.com and select a topic to begin with. Step 2 is to look for questions about your topic. Step 3 is to produce replies using ChatGPT. Step 4 is to join ClickBank and select a product connected to your response. Step 5. Create a free Google site with a landing page and the affiliate link. Step 6. Put your website link at least twice in your answer. Upload the answer and repeat the procedure. That concludes today's video. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. Also, please like and subscribe to the channel since this encourages me to do more videos. Thank you for checking in, and hope to see you next time.